Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a basic tutorial in Plants vs Brainrots game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, I'll be talking about a feature. This feature guys, Equip Best Brainrots. And at first, I was questioning what is the function of this feature. And yeah, this feature is for taking money from the Brainrots. As we know that every Brainrot can make money, and if you want to get the money from the Brainrots, you need to pick it up and then you need to place it again on the on this block. And yeah, you will get money by picking up your Brainrots. But with this feature guys, you can immediately collect all the monies that the Brainrot has made. And wait, I'm going to click on Equip Best Brainrots. Okay, and as you can see that my money has increased. And yeah, if you want to immediately collect all the monies from the Brainrots, you just need to click on Equip Best Brainrots. Okay guys, and that's how you can use the Equip Best Brainrots feature in Plants vs Brainrot game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.